Alright, so this is a quick video. I'm going to show you how to replace your base lights, license plate lights. This is a LED light, and this is the regular halogen light that comes with it. First off, you're gonna have to do it from the inside. So I removed this cover, just the screws right here, that one over there. Then you open it up, and this is what you're gonna find. The best way is just to go all the way down here and to remove them. You see that knob right there? So, alright, so pretty much just push it from here. You can't see it, but there's a knob, you push it and it goes outside. Here. You pull it out from here. Then you open this like this. Like this. And you pull the bulb out. After that, the replacement, you just make sure the bulb is working. As you can see, it is working. Sweet. So it's gonna look like this. Nice. And then you just put everything back. To put this back, there's a way. So this way goes first, and then you push it through this side. And here it is. This is the final light. That guy, he is the pimp. He's like the watchdog right here. Yeah, he talks all kinds of shit. Anyways, this is the end. It looks so much nicer. So, just another Honda City. Here it is. Hope this helps. The next, it's going to be the HID installation. See you guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna start working with the HID kit. I already removed one of the bulbs. It's an H11 bulb, as you can see here. H11 bulb. Here's the HID. I'm trying to focus this. First off, of course, you're gonna have to remove the bulb, obviously. And then there's a plug right there. Be careful, the bulbs could be hot if you're just driving. This is the HID light, the HID actual bulb. Make sure that this light, it's aligned like this after you twist it, so you will get all that line perfectly matched. And I'm gonna be working on it. Hold on. Alright fellas, so in this case I couldn't use the plug that comes in originally because it doesn't reach all the way in there. So basically this plug, it's supposed to go in here, but it doesn't reach. So that's why they give you these extra other plugs, just in case if that happens. The only bad thing about this is that it's open like this. So in my case, I'm gonna have to use some black tape to make some to isolate it from water. But it's coming up.
Oh, ya sé, tú y yo tomamos un video ahí con el Sean.
So this is how it's going to be. It looks nice, huh?
Yeah, it looks really good.
I do like that amber light now.
The amber light?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the nice contrast, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to have too much white, you know. I want to have some contrast.
Yeah.
So this is the other. It's off right now. So this is what it looks like with the HIDs. And I also changed the LED lights from here, so that way it'll be white and bluish. This is the 8K model. This is the other one. The Accord, 2015 Accord. And so far this is the license plate lights. These are also LEDs. They're 194 bulbs. 194, so just in case if you want to know. I can't wait to see it at night. It's probably gonna look awesome. Okay, so this is how it looks at night when I turn on the lights. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oop. And this is the license plate lights. Oh man, that looks so sick. You do see a lot wider with these lights. There you go. Really cool upgrade. Well, I hope you guys like this. I do recommend you to get this for your car.